I'm gonna show you how to delete your Bingx account. So, it's really simple. Just need to log in into your account and then go to this button down here, click chat now. Then you're gonna type, I want to delete my account. I'm gonna click here. It's gonna give you two options, lock your account or delete your account. So we're gonna go with delete your account. We're gonna click on this link, gonna get you to this page. Tap on apply for deletion, then confirm deletion. You're gonna send you a verification code on your Gmail. So you're gonna go copy the verification code, then paste it right here. And that's it, guys. I hope this story was helpful. See you in another video. Bye bye.